Hello friends, today we are going to discuss PERT. PERT is nothing but a program of project scheduling techniques or tool which is used to find out the way. With the help of that we are going to hand over the deliverable or project to the customer or client on time. So there are different tools and techniques are available, such as PERT, CPM, then we have Gantt chart, then we have LRC, then we have the, what we can. There are different techniques are available to schedule or to schedule the project. So here, whether scheduling is important or not. So exactly, scheduling is very important to manage the deliverables of a customer, and with the help of that we are going to complete timely the project. That's why user can or client can access their project on time. There are different ways are available. So this is very important factor of a triple consent. What is triple consent? There are different conditions or constraints are available: time, that is schedule; cost, that is budget; and scope, that is uh, okay. What is time? Time is nothing but the schedule, and budget is nothing but the cost, and scope in who who can going to customer, who can or client who can going to use that particular project. So what is PERT? PERT, it is a technique which is to be developed by US Defense Army in 1968. Basically the main purpose of this technique is for scheduling, but after few years that particular technique PERT is to be publicly available for project scheduling purpose. There are different uh, techniques are available. With the help of that we are going to finalize our uh, topics, finalize our schedule. With the help of that we can going to hand over the project on time. So PERT, as we know that PERT is useful for the to probabilistic problems. Here is also here the scientists or researcher are going to use this technique. So that's why the probably that particular project should be there. So okay, CPM and PERT is same techniques. Okay, but CPM is useful for deterministic problems, and PERT is useful for probabilistic problem. For PERT problem, the a particular average weighted average formula is optimistic time into most likely time into pessimistic time divided by 6. So with the help of that we are going to calculate the PERT weightage average. So here we conclude that PERT, it is a technique. With the help of that we are going to finalize or calculate the project schedule, but that uh, schedule is to be probable, not deterministic. So that's why PERT is useful for probabilistic problem, and CPM is useful for deterministic problem. Okay, thank you.